How to fix Android camera not working on your device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's get started. To fix the issue, first restart your Android phone. Hold power button on your device and swipe towards restart. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor software glitches causing the camera to stop working. Next thing is you need to clear cache and data of camera app. Long press on your camera app icon, select I button. After that, choose storage uses and tap clear cache. You can even tap clear data and delete all your data on camera. Other thing is simply you need to first stop camera app. Again, long press on app icon and select I button. Here select force stop and tap on force stop. Exception may occur if an app is force stops. Now you have to reopen the camera to see if the issue is fixed or not. If not yet, you need to try third-party camera app. You can easily open Play Store or App Store and then check third-party application and check if camera is working there. If it works, issue might be with the default application. If none of the software solution works, you need to check the hardware because there might be a hardware issues with the camera module. In this case, it's best to take your phone to an authorized service center. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.